Hi friends, it's Miss Lizzi from Willowbrook. So I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own apple core craft activity. So what you will need is a toilet paper roll, a black or brown marker, 2 cupcake liners that are either red or green, or you can paint them or use red marker. I used red marker for mine. You'll need a stick from outside, and then I actually chose 2 small green leaves, just like that. And then you will also need some Elmer's school glue, you know, the bottle kind. I actually don't have any, so what I'm gonna be using is a glue gun today. So if you don't have any of that Elmer's glue, just make sure your parents help you or have them do the gluing part. So the first thing you'll do is you'll take your toilet paper roll and you'll take your marker and you will go ahead and draw the seeds on your apple core, just like that. And then you will go ahead and take one of your cupcake liners and you will put it down, and on the outside of the apple core, you're going to put some glue. I am putting it on the core. If you have the white glue, you can put it on the cupcake liner. So then you're just gonna press it down right in the middle so it sticks. And then what you'll do is you'll do the same thing on the actual top as well. And then once you get the glue on there, you can go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just gonna flip it over so it's even. Put it right in the middle, go ahead and press down. So then it looks like you have an apple core. And then what you'll do is you will take the stick and you will gently just make a little hole. I'm gonna use the pointy side actually, at the top. And then you can stick that in there. And then what you'll do is you will go ahead and glue on your leaves. So I'm gonna put one right there. And then I'm gonna put the other one right next to it and put it kind of in the bottom section of the stick. And there you go. You have your very own little apple craft. So I thought that was very exciting to make. It was a pretty unique activity that I found that I thought you guys would really like. So if you guys go ahead and make them, make sure you show me. Have a great day. Bye.